Now, in this session, we are now understanding what all workspace enhancements are done in Yokohama version. Now I am in ServiceNow. We can go to the workspace. Let's understand what all new features are introduced. First option is sidebar and other options. Management we can do from the user preference. So let's go through it. The user preferences, and we can see what all changes would be visible on workspace. So when you are on workspace page and open the user preference, you will be able to see here workspace. This preferences provide an option to show or hide the ribbon, as well as to show and hide the sidebar and expand the activities tree. So before I come here, let's open one of the record. Let's open this particular record. So let's make some changes to the preferences. So let's go here and go to preference, workspace, show the ribbon. Let me enable all three. So you can see there are some changes done in the page layout, right? So we have the activities stream here. We have the sidebar also populated here, which talks about the user, contact and other details. And we have the ribbon also visible. So that's how we can quickly manage all these actions. Let's go to further enhancement. So another enhancement is email notification redirection to SOW. Set the email notification that can redirect to SOW. So what happens when we open any email through link, it automatically retakes us to the native UI. If we want to disable that behavior, then we can configure this property, and it will enable all redirection to SOW. SOW is your service operations workspace. So to do that, you need to go to service operation workspace admin center. Here we have multiple properties. So you can see here interaction record auto closer. That property is also there. We will go through with that property as well. So you can see this is added where a new role service desk agent is created, and this will allow the agent to have the incident read, write, access and gather the caller's detail quickly. Okay, so we'll go through all these actions in workspace. So right now I am on admin workspace. If we click on overview, we can have a look what all components are already installed and what we can configure. So in overview we can see the initial setup, interaction management. So if interaction management is not set up, then we can see the install button here. If it's already set up, the configuration button will be visible. Similarly for incident and laser incident, problem and assistant password, change and service operations management and synthetic monitoring. Okay, so we can go to configuration. Now if we go to initial setup and SOW properties, we can see this email notification redirection to SOW. So if we click on configuration, it will take us to a property that we need to mark true, and any email when we click with the link to any of the record, it will redirect us to the SOW rather than native UI. So this is the property. We can mark this as true and we can save this record. Let's have a look on one more property here which we spoke about, like the interaction records. When any related record will be closed to an interaction, then interaction will be auto closed. So this property we can see it here, close interaction when linked incident is resolved. So if we enable this, then this will ensure if we close some related record with the interaction will auto close. Similarly, if we go to incident record, we have few more features also enabled here. So the feature where we can configure the quick response templates in incident properties. So earlier it was available in native UI, but now this option is also available from service operations workspace admin center. Okay, so here you can see the overview tab, and if you scroll down, we have the response template. We already have 3 response template configured here, as well as incident management properties. So this option is also enabled in new feature. So when I click on configure, it takes me to this particular page where we can go and create a new template. In new release, we also have added service desk agent role. So that role can be managed from SOW also. We can also have a look on native UI, and we can go to roles. So if I write for so here you can see this new role is recently added in this latest release. If you go to SOW, from here itself, we can add the users and groups. So available users and groups, if you want this particular user, this particular group users to have that agent role, I can click here and I can assign this particular role using this button. So now one group got this particular role, and members of this group should be able to manage and view the users in SOW. So this is the SOW. We can access from here, service operation workspace. So we enabled a property for the interaction. Let's quickly test that. So I am trying to see if there is any open interaction here. Let's go to all. Okay, I don't have any interaction, so let me open it very quickly. So I just filled up and let's save the record. So to fix this, let's say one incident is required. So let's create an so as I create incident, it picks the basic information from there, and we can make the further changes like mentioning the configuration item, business impact, and other details, and create this particular incident. So let's save it for now as is, and I'm resolving this. So incident is in resolved state now, and let's quickly check the related interaction record. So we can see here this is automatically marked as close complete. Another feature is we can have the recommended actions and AI search. So here we have multiple links. Here you can see the recommendations. So related to this particular topic, if there are any recommendations from our knowledge articles or service catalog, those will be visible here. So if you remember, we had three template for incident. So if you go to incident record and we click on this particular template, we can see all available template, and accordingly the template can be selected for any selection. So template always help to fill the data in incident record. These are the new features added in recent Yokohama version in Workspace. Thank you.